Hey, Team Inspire. Hope you are having a fantastic week. It is the time of year for dry skin. Here it comes, ready or not. And whether you're oily or dry or whatever, something on your body probably gets dry, whether it's hands, lips, elbows, knees, legs, face. We all deal with it in different ways. And so I want to make sure that you guys know what you have available to you that can make a huge impact and really help you not be dry and crusty this season. And maybe, just maybe, you could help somebody else in your life, because dry skin is the worst and it drives people crazy, and nobody wants to feel crusty and scaly. So I'm going to do a series of some videos so that I can just cover some different tips and topics that might serve you. And if it would be helpful, I do have a Facebook group for my clients where I am talking about these kinds of things all the time. And so if you feel like being having a consultant would be a service to you, I would love for you to join our group there. And then you can access this information all the time. But for now, here we go. Number one thing that people don't realize that's super crucial when it comes to dealing with dry skin is exfoliation. You actually do need to exfoliate off the dead skin before you're going to see any real improvement in how your skin looks and feels. Dead skin is dead. It's not coming back to life no matter how much stuff you put in it or on it. It's dead, so you've got to get that off. So you want to be sure that you are regularly exfoliating, whether that's for your hands using the satin lip scrub or the satin hand scrub, for your feet. We have the satin body scrub that you can use on your entire body to help not be scaly and stuff. Our satin lips lip scrub. And then, of course, our microdermabrasion and our facial peel for the face. We have tremendous options to help with all the areas of your body that get yucky. And so do not neglect that important piece. Is if your face is kind of dry and gross, if it's dull, if you're having even sometimes breakout issues, can be from dead skin that's building up. So make sure you start by exfoliating your skin. And that is going to give you the best chance for being less dry and less scaly this winter.